My name's Donnell Farmer. I have no idea how to do anything. But I bought a David Brown 990 1965 model with a Wainroy front end loader and backhoe. And we're going to try and get it running because just about everything on it is broken. So maybe we'll learn together. Maybe I'll start a YouTube channel. Here she is. As you can see, it's chained up because the hydraulics don't work. The front end's apart because the ignition switch didn't work. That's what I'm working on replacing today. Steering doesn't work. The only thing that works is the motor and maybe the transmission. But we'll work on it together and let's try it. Thank you.